a long day.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to Dublin. The local time here is just coming up to 25 minutes to 3 o'clock. We could ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has parked. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off and the main passenger door has been opened for you. Please be careful when opening up the overhead bins, as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the flight. Our uniformed ground staff here will meet the flight and be very happy to assist you with any queries or onward travel arrangements that you may have. And please ensure all mobile phones are left to the off position until the aircraft has parked and the doors have been opened.